Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about multiple audio track recording option in OBS 2024. So let's go to the OBS first. Now you have to go to the settings. After go to settings, you have to click on this output option or audio option. Sorry, not audio. You have to click on output option. In output option, you'll find here output mode. You have to click on advanced and choose recording. In recording option, you can see here audio track, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6. It has 6 audio track, and if you want to uh, audio track 6, you have to click on 6. If you want to audio 5 audio, you have to click on 5 audio. If you want to 3 audio, you have to mark on 3. Okay, after that you have to click on apply, then click on OK. Now you have to put here in sources, click on plus icon and choose audio input capture, and you have to open multiple audio captures like Discord. Then again you can add to song, like you have 3 audio capture, so you have to make 3 audio input devices, music, etc. Okay, now you have to go to advanced audio system. In advanced audio system, you have to click on this settings gear icon. Click on this settings gear icon. You can see the cursor, right? Click on this and you can adjust your volume here like this, sliding left or right. You can monitor turn off or on. You can make it 1 ms or 0 ms. You can see here audio tracks. You can make it 3 4 5, that's up to you. Okay, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.